Wow, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, a unique style of playing the guitar. It's as if the guitar is talking to you rather than just being played. Absolutely amazing guitar work. And then the piano coming in towards the end. Oh, that was just the icing on the cake for me. It was beautiful to listen to. It was just so sublime. The drums was the only instrument initially which was like the background sound, you could say, to what was happening on the guitar. So the drums was the only instrument there, but it did its job so perfectly. The drummer, wow, beautiful. I do not know if Joe Satriani plays these instruments along with the drummer and pianist in this case, or it's mixed in later on. I don't know. Because there are different ways of producing these kind of records. So I'm not sure how it was done. But either ways, the end result is it sounds really, really good. It's a kind of laid back music, it's music that you can listen to around the home, at the office, when you're just chilling out and you're not doing too much, work that requires too much thought, too much actions. You can just listen to this kind of music at home while you're just chilling out, lazing around. It's perfect music to play in the background. Perfect music. It's really, really good from Joe Satriani, this one. And also the other musicians, if they were there accompanying him. We do not know their names as of now. Beautifully done.
Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing to listen to. It was very artistic. Initially, when it started okay, and I was okay. It just started. There was nothing. I could not anticipate what was to come. But it got better, better, and better. It was enthralling. By the end of it, you just don't want to stop listening to it because it got much better than what it started with. It was subtle at the same time. It was wild in the tune. So the primary tune of the guitars have you that when it would go, it sounded good. The guitar, but it sounded very good. But above that, when the piano came, that literally was like a showstopper. So this was subtle, this was intricate music, and it was very artistic. I could imagine literally it playing in art galleries and things like that, and it would make a great ambience. Literally people walking there, they would have to notice this kind of music. It is that good. Such music you don't come across very often, and it is usually, if it is done like this, it's appreciated also. So I like this. I can literally imagine myself listening to it, grooving to it. I can relaxing with it. I can doing something creative as well. So this was creative, something very creative, and it actually could induce creativity as well. It sounded great.
Yeah, that's it for this reaction video.